Hello, I'm going to make a quick video on how to make a GIF from a couple of images in Photoshop CS5. I've got on the screen the quick steps and I'll just blast through this now. Basically, import, you then use the window animation to create your GIF. You need to change the delay. I'm going to use half a second, and then your output. You export the file and make sure when you export you set your resolution. So let's go. I'm going to go to here. I've got two images here. I'm going to drag them in. I've got two files open. The instructions were file script load from stack, load files into stack. So I'm going to do scripts, load files into stack. I'm going to use the open files that I've got already. So that I've got there, press OK. So now I've got these two files. And then the next step, I'm going to align them to make sure that they are correctly aligned. It just so happens that both of these were aligned anyway, but let's do it just in case. I'm going to select both of these, and then in image, auto align, use auto align. So that's finished. Then we go to make sure that the window the animation pane is open. It's down here. We check it by going to window, and there it is, ticked. Next, in the animation menu, make frames from layers. So I'm going to select the file, the untitled file that I've got with the two layers. I'm going to click on this when animation menu, make frames from layers, and there we've got both of them now as two frames. I'm going to shift click both of them so they're selected, change the delay to 5 seconds. So we've done step 6. Now time to do the export and check the image resolution size. So I'm going to do file, export. It's save for web device, sorry. So now here's the image size there. I'm going to choose just 1000 wide. And press return. That'll resize everything. I'm going to just move this so I can see subject, and I'm also looking at this part of the wall. So if you see here, that's a lot more pixelated, more grainy. The thing I'm looking for here is the file size that the GIF will be when we export, and choose something that you're happy with. If you want to play the image, play the GIF, you can do here. Right, so when you click on the one that you want, notice how the selection, the GIF is selected. I'm going to choose this one, so it should be 541K. Now I'm going to choose this folder. I'm going to leave it as untitled and click save. So that's now in this folder. There's the file, the exported file. I'm just going to double click to open it. There's the GIF.